Let's go to erectile dysfunction. Let's discuss how penetrating vessel influences erection. Erection. The penetrating vessel influences erection in 7 ways. Being the sea of blood, it is responsible for the filling of blood of the corpus cavernosum that determines erection. The penetrating vessel is connected to the postnatal chi through its point stomach 30, which is located near the root of the penis, and it therefore provides the necessary chi for erection to occur. The penetrating vessel is connected to the prenatal chi at REN1, kidney 13, and REN4, and it therefore provides the essence for erection to occur. The penetrating vessel controls the membranes, and as we have seen, most of the tissues in the penis are part of the membranes. The penetrating vessel controls the ancestral muscle, which is the penis. The penetrating vessel controls the connecting channels in the penis, which allow the penis to be filled with blood when erect. The penetrating vessel plays an important role in allowing the communication between the heart and kidneys, and therefore the descending of heart blood to the penis. In a nutshell, erection depends on chi and blood. It depends on chi because it needs chi for the penis to come up, in the same way that in women, lactation depends on chi for the pumping action. It depends on blood because the corpus cavernosum needs to fill the blood for erection to occur, in the same way that in women, lactation depends on blood, as this is the origin of milk. Therefore, the penetrating vessel can be used to treat erectile dysfunction. When there is a disharmony between the heart and the kidneys, with heart chi and heart blood not descending to the penis, use the opening and coupled points of the penetrating vessel, spleen 4 on the left and P6 on the right, together with kidney 12, REN 4, REN 6, kidney 16, bladder 17, bladder 15, and bladder 23. Use the bladder 15 back transporting point of the heart to tonify and invigorate blood, as the heart governs blood, and to promote the descending of the heart blood down to the penis. The descending of heart chi and heart blood to communicate with the kidneys plays a role in the sexual function. To use the points kidney 16 and bladder 17 because they communicate with each other, the former being related to the kidneys and the latter to the heart. They therefore strengthen the communication between the heart and the kidneys. They do so also by virtue of the penetrating vessel. Kidney 16 is on this vessel as it stems from kidneys and it reaches the heart. In clinical note, the penetrating vessel can be used to treat erectile dysfunction. Then there is a disharmony between the heart and the kidneys. Use the opening and coupled points spleen 4 on the left and P6 on the right, together with kidney 12, REN 4, kidney 16, bladder 17, REN 4, REN 6, bladder 15, and bladder 23. Thank you for your attention.